The Tree of Life quickly became the right symbol. It stands for heritage, strength, and cultural roots. The color flows from viola purple metallic at the front to chroma flare magic magenta at the rear. This finish required 6 layers of paint and around 400 hours of work, including all the complex step-by-step preparation. A true highlight is the hand-painted Tree of Life stretching across the hood and the roof. It required around 40 hours of manual work and absolute precision. It shows the whole variety of Sonderwunsch offering as we have never done it before. A co-creation between the Market Moldova, our design studio style Porsche, and the experts of the Sonderwunsch team. The aim was to celebrate the 15 years anniversary of Porsche Moldova in a truly distinctive way, with a car that follows one clear vision across color, materials, and design. The iconic Pascha pattern for the seats was reinterpreted and extends even into subtle areas such as the glove box and luggage compartment. Tree of Life is a unique customer project, but also serves as a strong reference. It shows what is possible within the Sonderwunsch program from both a technical and a creative perspective. This often encourages future customers to think beyond standards and imagine something truly personal.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the Top Cars channel.